The area that became Rolling Hills was part of Jefferson County's early European settlements in the late 1700s, following Kentucky's admission to the Union in 1792. Like much of northeastern Jefferson County, it was developed for farming on the fertile bluegrass lands, with Rolling Hills supporting tobacco, corn, and livestock production amid the region's karst topography of sinkholes and springs. Suburban development in the mid-20th century, 1940s to 1950s post-World War II growth transformed the farmland into residential neighborhoods. Homes in Rolling Hills began appearing in the 1940s and 1950s, driven by Louisville's expanding suburbs. This era saw the shift from large estates to family-oriented housing, mirroring trends in nearby areas like Indian Hills, with initial subdivisions emphasizing spacious lots and proximity to Westport Road. Incorporation as a home rule city, 1960s. Rolling Hills officially incorporated as a home rule class city in the early 1960s, gaining autonomy under Kentucky statutes. This allowed local governance via an elected mayor and city commission, focusing on zoning, services, and preserving its semi-rural character just 11 miles from downtown Louisville while bordering small cities like Langdon Place and Meadow Vale. Population growth and demographic shifts, 1970s to 2000s. The community grew modestly, from around 700 residents in the 1970s to 907 by the 2000 census, attracting middle-class families with its quiet, tree-lined streets and access to TRC public transit. By the 2010 census, the population reached 959, with a diverse makeup, about 91% white, 6.5% African American, and a median age of 39, reflecting stable suburban expansion amid Jefferson County's consolidation in 2003. Modern era and community focus, 2010s present today. Rolling Hills remains a peaceful enclave of about 1,000 residents in 0.2 square miles, with median home values exceeding $290,000 and a strong sense of community. It contracts policing from Meadow Vale and fire services from St. Matthews, while emphasizing sustainability through recycling and green spaces, adapting to contemporary needs like remote work and Louisville's urban sprawl.